In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable your own Instagram account in 2019 and beyond. This only works on your desktop or browser. This doesn't work inside the app. So first of all, you want to log into your account. Next up, go to your profile by clicking right there. Then you can go to settings, click on privacy and security, go to edit profile, which is right there. Then next up, you want to scroll down, and then as you can see right there, you can actually click on temporary disable my account. If you do that, then you can actually go ahead and disable your account. You can select the reason. You have to enter your password, and then you can actually disable your account right there. And then after that, you can actually reactivate your account by logging into your account, as you can see right there. But that's exactly how you can actually disable your own Instagram account in 2019 and beyond. If you enjoyed this, if this works, make sure you leave a like. Make sure you comment down below that this works so that other people can actually go ahead and use this themselves so that they can disable their account. Like I just said, make sure you do that and have a good day. Peace out.